Kiriga wa Hanakshana, and I am going to show you how to download the Siouan keyboard for Mac. So what I have here is looked up Language Geek Siouan on Google, and it'll take you right here to the page. At the very top here you see Siouan keyboard Language Geek. So what we're going to do is click on it, and here we are. So right at the top you'll see Download Keyboard. So let's just click on that, and then it'll take us right to the keyboard layout download. But I have also opened up another tab. I got two tabs here on the same page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tab and I'm going to move it right here, and I'm going to go all the way down, and at the bottom here you'll see Mac installation instructions. So we'll open that up. So here we have a set of instructions for us to just look at while we work. So going back to the previous page, you'll see all the, this is the Siouan bundle, so it has a bunch of languages in here, and you'll see Ho-Chunk in there. But what you're going to do is you're going to go down to this little icon right down here, Download for Mac. And we'll click on it, and then up in your downloads, you'll see it right here after it gets done downloading. What I do is I just drag and drop it onto my hard drive. So let's look at number 4 on these instructions here. In Finder, choose Go, and then Computer. So let's open up our Finder, and we'll go to the Go. Computer. Instruction is to expand the Macintosh HD. So let's do that. And then now it says go to Library, open up your library. I'm gonna put this in a list view and find keyboard layouts. So we'll scroll down, keyboard layouts. Alright, now I already have Mac Siouan bundle downloaded to my Mac, so that's why you see it in here already. But what you're going to do is you're going to take your bundle that you have on your hard drive and you're just going to drag and drop it in there. Okay, so after that it says drag it into your keyboard layouts and then log off the computer and restart.
10 seconds later.
So we've done that, we're back, and we've restarted our Mac. When we come back in, you're going to go to Preferences. We're going to skip number 8 here because almost everybody is working on a later version than 10.9.1 of Mac OS. So let's go down to number 9 here. Open System Preferences, Language and Region. So let's go up here, up to our Apple menu, System Preferences, go to Language and Region, click the keyboard preferences at the bottom. Alright, so now we're in the keyboard layout tab. At the top here you want to see that you're on Input Sources. That's where you want to be. So click on that if you're not already there. And here in the left you'll see languages that are available. Now mine already has the Siouan bundle downloaded to it, so that's why it's showing up in here. But when you open up yours you won't be able to see it. So what you're going to do is press the plus button, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to Others. And then here you'll see these are all the languages that were in the Siouan bundle. And there you'll see Ho-Chunk. You're going to highlight it. Unfortunately I can't because it's not an option for me. It's already on my computer. Once you do click on Ho-Chunk, just press Add. And that is it. You are ready to go. So how you activate it is up at the very top here, you're going to see the American flag, and those are your languages. And you can see now I have Ho-Chunk underneath there. So all I have to do is just switch it over to Ho-Chunk. So let's bring up a document. So now you're ready to start typing. So we have A. If you want to put the tail underneath the cinch, it'll be semicolon. Just hit it once. And then let's say you want to have a letter with the wokanuk on top. You're just going to hit / once. And that is it. Any vowel you hit, you can put the tail underneath with the semicolon, and any consonant you use, you can just use the / to give it the wokanuk. Alright, that is it. Thank you.